This is guided visualization for working creatively with January 2022 full moon in Cancer. Find a comfortable sitting position and put your feet flat on the ground. Straighten up your spine so the energy of these words flows freely through all of your body's energy centers. And when you are ready, gently close your eyes. May your attention focus on your breath. You begin to breathe slowly and effortlessly. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. With each in-breath, you fill your belly with air. Your belly rises gently. With each out-breath through your mouth, your belly slowly flattens. Keep repeating this sequence whilst listening to these words. The full moon in Cancer on 17th January 2022 illuminates our emotional life and the state of our intimacy, body, mind and soul, in regards to ourselves and in regards to others. Intimacy is honesty about our feelings. This full moon asks us to look deep into the state of our emotions. Shortly, together we will embark on our visual journey. Focus on your breath, relax, and let your imagination and your intuition take you to the images or feelings that are for your highest good at this moment in time. If at any moment during this visualization you find yourself drifting away into your thoughts, simply bring your attention back to your breath and the present moment. Let's begin now. Imagine now that it is a night time, and you are sitting on a rock close to waters of vast ocean. Breathe in deeply the freshness of air. Breathe in deeply unconditional love, nurturing energies of Mother Earth. Feel into the energy of the ocean. These gently bubbling waters are your emotions that connect you with entire world and the universe. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, how am I feeling? And whatever is coming up for you right now, try to feel it all. Try to be with it. You don't need to do anything about it now, just try to stay with the feelings. And now, you can see a light appearing at the line of the horizon, over the surface of the ocean. It climbs up over the horizon, and soon you are looking at fully lit face of the moon. A massive beam of sunlight reflected off the face of the moon as grayish silver light slides over and through the ocean waters, all the way to the shore where you are sitting. And when it reaches the shore, that light beam turns into a crab that is slowly walking towards you. I know that my energy can be often frightening, but I can assure you that I have only good intentions. The crab speaks and stops right in front of you. I am Cancer, the fourth sign of Zodiac. I am water sign, and I represent emotions and the mother archetype in your psyche. Now it is great time to make unconscious reasons of your emotional state conscious and see where is your power to develop your emotional intelligence. Breathe deeply into your heart and let your intuition feel into my words. On global scale and in our personal lives, we now get to look into our psyche and see where we've been lying to ourselves out of fear of not feeling emotionally safe to show our true face to wear our heart on our sleeve. Intimacy is honesty about our feelings. Are we being honest with ourselves about how we feel? How are we coping with feeling unsafe and vulnerable? Are we listening to our sensitive nature, intuition, and are we trusting life, feeling it all, or trying to escape it? Or we chose to succumb to our protection of our tender hearts out of fear of being hurt again? Everything is fine, regardless of your answers. You are exactly where you are supposed to be. Now it's perfect time to ask yourself some questions. What is your relationship with the feminine, nurturing and caring side of your personality and life? How is this area present itself on a daily basis, in relationships, to yourself and to people around you? Through emotional intimacy, we feel true healing occur, and we feel truly safe when we can openly share our feelings. This way we create strong emotional bond and network. Are you taking on emotions of others? Others' fears and insecurities projected onto you by them? Can you discern what is your emotion and what is emotion of the other person? Do you project your emotions onto others due to your own insecurities? Many people become victims of their sensitivity and ability to feel emotions of the world. These people often call themselves empathic. If you are one of them, please remember that you are a very powerful soul whose gift is to feel deeply. However, to make use of this gift, you need to find an empowering creative outlet for this. This way, you will empower your own self-esteem and empower lives of others, the pain and sorrow of who you can so deeply feel. Are you ready for more open communication regarding your emotions and feelings? Are you ready to live life according to what feels true to you and what doesn't? Are you ready to implement this new understanding, this merging of what's been in the shadow of your emotions with the conscious mind, thinking everyday mind, in grounded way? Now it is great time to contemplate all those things that I've mentioned. Please close your eyes now, the crab asks you, and imagine your life where you are emotionally present, caring for yourself and for others. Life in which you feel deeply the energies of the planet Earth and use it as a wisdom to empower your life, lives of others, and life on Earth. Spend time tonight and in following days contemplating your intuitive insights. Journal, write your aha moments, express your deeper understanding of emotions through art, dance with it, be with it, feel it all. And remember that you are vulnerable and safe at the same time. After all, you are spirit having human adventures. Now it is time to go back to your life. I will count to 5 now. With each number, from 1 to 5, you will feel more and more awake. And when I reach the number 5, you will be fully awake, remembering everything that you have just witnessed and experienced, and ready to consciously express your intuitive senses and insights that you've just received. 1. You are slowly waking up, feeling air that you are breathing, hearing sounds around you. 2. You can smell familiar smells. You are focusing your attention now on your body and slowly beginning to wriggle your toes. 3. You are starting gently moving your fingers, hands and feet. You are feeling your body more and more awake. 4. You are moving now your arms, your legs, other muscles of your body. And 5. You are giving yourself a big stretch right now. You are taking deep breath and sigh loud whilst exhaling. When you are feeling ready, you can now slowly open your eyes.